everyone! Welcome to Fun with Drawing channel. Let's do fun while drawing. Today I am going to draw SpongeBob and his friends, Squidward, Patrick, Mr. Krabs, Gary, and Sheldon J. Plankton. First I draw Squidward. He has a large nose and works as a cashier at the Mr. Krab. His house is between SpongeBob's and Patrick's houses. He believes himself to be a talented artist and musician, but nobody else recognizes his abilities. He has a sarcastic sense of humor. Now I am drawing Patrick Star. He is a pink starfish who lives under a rock and wears flowered swim trunks. He is best friends with SpongeBob. Now I am drawing SpongeBob. He usually wears brown short pants, a white collared shirt, and a red tie. He lives in a pineapple house and is employed as a fry cook at a fast food restaurant called the Krusty Krab. SpongeBob's hobbies include catching jellyfish, blowing bubbles, playing with his best friend Patrick, and unintentionally irritating his neighbor Squidward. Now I am drawing Plankton. This time I am drawing Mr. Krabs, who lives in an anchor-shaped house with his daughter Pearl, who is a whale. He dislikes spending money but will go to great lengths to make Pearl happy. His eyes are so long. He tends to worry more about his riches than about the needs of his employees. Now I am drawing Snail. Yes, you guess. Right, he is Gary. He is SpongeBob's pet, sea snail, who lives with him in their pineapple home. Wow, everyone is looking so pretty. Now let's start coloring. First, I am coloring in Squidward. And brown color in his shirt. Now pink color in Patrick. Now I am coloring in SpongeBob's eyes and yellow color in his body. Now green color in Plankton. I am doing red color in Mr. Crab. Now at last, blue color in snail. Everyone is looking so happy. Be healthy and happy.